Hello guys, in this video we will learn TabView Pagination. In SwiftUI, you can create a user onboarding layout with horizontal page with a few lines of code using TabView. I just show you a simple user onboarding layout using TabView with the PageTabViewStyle. It will very simple. Just I show you the demo. TabView, type TabView followed by open and close curly braces. Then I just making a rounded rectangular shape with the corner radius of 25. Then I just fill this color as red or something. Then I just add some padding. I just created the rounded rectangular shape within the tab view. Then I just making the duplicate one more time. I just created the rounded rectangular in 3 times in this tab view. Now I just going to be apply the tab view style. Just tab view style followed by page tab view style open and close bracket. Now I just resume this UI. You can see this pagination of 3 layers. Now we just created the user onboarding screen with the tab view followed by tab view style. Now I just changing the color black and pink. For your difference you can see this. Now I just going to be set some style, like I can also hide this indicator line. To make that style you have to use index display mode. For the paging tab style, to always or automatic or never, there are some option. You can just type your index display mode dot never always automatic. So I just want to hide this one, never, so it is hidden now. Always will be display always. So we done this onboarding screen in few lines of code.